Sometimes it can be tempting to go with the cheapest guy, maybe even an unlicensed guy, a handy guy, if you will. And over 25 years in the business, I've seen all kinds of problems, both health, the home, and even legal issues. And so what I want to do today is discuss why it's imperative to make sure you choose the right contractor and a licensed contractor for you and your home. Hi, this is Jacob McBee with My Favorite Service Company. And today I want to talk about a few things to help you choose the right contractor for your home when you're replacing or repairing your heating and air conditioning system. First of all, an unlicensed contractor can't pull a permit. And a permit is important because that's going to ensure a third party comes out to inspect the installation of the new air conditioning system. And you might ask, why is that important? Well, it's important, one, because it's going to protect the home and make sure that everything is installed so that the system is running in a way that you're not going to have problems with your home. But two, even more importantly, it's for the protection of your family, to make sure that system isn't going to do something or have problems that's going to cause you or your family additional problems or health concerns. Also, an unlicensed contractor may not be insured. So if he or one of his workers gets hurt on your property, you may be liable for it. Also, if he damages your property, you may also be liable for having to repair that. Not all insurance companies are going to cover it for you. The next thing is a real licensed air conditioning contractor is required to be insured to protect you so you don't have to worry about these things at all. And so it's important when you're choosing a contractor, choose one that can prove to you he's got the proper insurance to protect you monetarily and physically in your home. Lastly, licensing is specific to each state. So the contractor should be licensed to your specific state. And if he's not, he probably doesn't know all the safety regulations and codes to protect you and your home. So it's important to make sure that they have the licensing for the specific state that you're living in so that everything is covered and you know that he knows exactly what he's doing in your home. Choosing an unlicensed contractor can lead to a lot of headaches, both monetarily and legally. So I always recommend avoiding that, even if it costs you a little bit more. So choose a licensed contractor who you can rely on to make sure your system's installed correctly for the protection of your home and your family. For any questions or concerns, please give us a call or visit our website.